Okay guys, so today we are making the simplest snack that you could possibly ever make, and you used to eat it in school. It's ants on a log. All you need is celery, peanut butter, and raisins. So 3 ingredients to make a yummy, delicious, healthy snack. So I really don't think we need that much instructions, but I'm just gonna show you how simple it is. So you just get your lettuce, get your celery. You're gonna chop it up in maybe about 3 inches worth of a log. Add your peanut butter right in the center. Smear it on through. Smear it on, oh, there goes some peanut butter. Smear it on your log. And then add your ants. So maybe about, I think that's pretty cool. Bam, ants on a log. How simple and easy is that? So you have your crunchy, your savory, and your sweet. This is a really great snack to have because 1, it's healthy, and it really kind of complements all of the flavors and the taste and the textures that you would really want out of a unhealthy snack. You got your crunchy, maybe potato chips, switch it out. Celery also has like a bit of a weird salty taste, but it's great for vitamin K. It's full of fiber, which you're gonna need to help cleanse your system. And it also has potassium in it. Another thing about celery, it is anti-inflammatory, which is great because that's the biggest thing that keeps us sick, is being inflamed with a lot of things that we just don't need to be consuming in our body. So this is gonna help you fight off all those things that are in your body making you sick and possibly stressing your body out. And we all know that when you're stressed out, it's very, very difficult to lose weight or move around because you're just such in a fog and like, bah. So celery is great. Also, there's so many great things about celery. So a lot of people think that celery is 0 calories. That's not true. Celery actually is about 2 to 3 calories. But when you chew it, you're actually working your muscles in your jaw, and you're burning calories before it even hits the stomach. So you're burning about 2 to 3 calories just by chewing, and then by the time it hits your stomach, it's 0 calories, and now you have this mushed up celery gloopity glop that's full of fiber and helping to pull down the rest of the unwanted waste out of your system, and the good stuff gets absorbed in the body. Oh wow, yummy. Peanut butter. I just had a little great taste of peanut butter. The great thing about peanut butter is it's great. It fills your stomach up. It's savory, it's creamy, it's buttery. It's that good fat. And we all want something creamy. That's why a lot of fettuccine alfredos and buttery stuff is like, oh, it's so good. But this is great because, and it's a great healthy alternative to all the unhealthy fats and the unhealthy grease and the unhealthy butters that you would probably eat as a snack because your taste buds are just craving it. It's great for protein, high in protein. Peanuts are great for protein, and to have it in this nice peanut butter form is wonderful to spread on a log like this. Wow, didn't know there's so much about an ant on a log, huh? These little tiny little raisins, obviously they used to be grapes. Hang on, 1 second. But when you dehydrate a grape, it becomes a raisin, and it's very, very small compared to a grape, obviously. So you wanna be careful not to eat too many of them, because what happens when you take the water out of a fruit, it dehydrates it, but it concentrates the sugar. So you gotta be careful because yes, it's a fruit, but it's still sugar. So you don't wanna have too much sugar in your blood because your body won't know what to do with it, and it'll get so confused. It's like, okay, you know what? Maybe I should store this because maybe you're gonna need this energy later. And what if you don't use that energy? Then it gets turned into fat. So you wanna be careful. So obviously, eating 5 raisins is not the equivalent of eating 5 grapes, but these are great as a sweetener, as a natural sweetener. So, hey, pick and choose your sweeteners, but let's be smart about them. But I think this is a great alternative to eating candy. So add your ants on your log and enjoy.